Let me start by asking you a quick question. How much time do you spend setting up, troubleshooting, or rerunning your NGS library preps? If you're like many researchers, it's probably more than you would like. Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm Mohamed Shah, a field application specialist at Beckman Coulter. Today, I'm here at our instrument demonstration lab in Vienna, Austria. Here, I'm diving into a solution that can help you take back that time with the Biomek nGenius library prep system. It's designed to take the stress, variability, majority of manual steps out of your workflow. And to bring this to life, I will walk you through a real example using Illumina DNA PCR-Free library prep kit. Whether you're brand new to automation or looking into optimizing your current setup, you're going to see how Biomek nGenius will make a real difference in your lab. Let's get started. Reproducibility is one of the biggest challenges in manual NGS library prep workflows. Inconsistencies in pipetting techniques, incubation times, and even user fatigues can result in variation of yield, fragment size, and overall library quality. These small differences can compound, especially in a high-throughput settings. Automation with the Biomek nGenius addresses these challenges head-on. By standardizing steps such as normalization, tagmentation, indexing, fragment size selections, and library cleanups, Biomek nGenius minimizes user-to-user variation and ensures each sample is treated the same way every time. In today's example, we are applying this automation to the Illumina DNA PCR-Free kit, a method that omits PCR amplifications entirely through on-beat tagmentation. This approach improves uniformity across GC-rich regions and reduced bias, which is critical for applications like whole genome sequencing. We will now demonstrate the run setup with Illumina DNA PCR-Free prep on Biomek nGenius, retrieve finished libraries, and review actual data generated using this library prep kit. To perform this workflow, you will need Biomek nGenius library prep system, Illumina DNA PCR prep kit, Illumina unique dual index adapters, samples, and standard lab consumables. Setting up a batch begins with Biomek nGenius portal. It is an intuitive web-based interface that guides users step-by-step through batch creation. To begin, click on the top left main menu and select Apps. In the Apps page, click on Create button. Now select the desired app template from the menu. In this example, we will select DNA PCR-Free prep from Illumina. Clicking on the app card, you will see the page which describes the name, the version, the protocol information, the app template description, and the desired part numbers required to run this application. To create and configure this app, press Create App button. In configuration page, provide a suitable name for your app. In this example, we typed Illumina DNA PCR-Free with 300 nanogram input. In the settings, it is possible to lock-unlock the settings for future batches. In Illumina DNA PCR-Free prep, it is possible to select library input mass from 100 to 2000 nanogram. Beads drying time can be set between 2 to 5 minutes, and index plate sets can be selected from the drop-down menu. To save the configuration, click Save button. You will now see Illumina DNA PCR-Free app card in the Apps page. To create a batch, press the Create button and select the app that was created earlier In this example, Illumina DNA PCR-Free 300 nanogram. Provide a batch name. Enter the number of samples to be processed. With this app template, it is possible to run any number of samples between 4 and 24. For this example, we keep the sample numbers as 4. In the Settings tab, either you can modify the desired input or keep the default setting as it is. In the Sections tab, select the start and end point of the protocol. In the Samples Data tab, download the sample template. And fill in the sample IDs in the Sample IDs section, index IDs, and initial concentration of samples. Once created, upload the sample data template to provide sample IDs, index, and initial concentrations to the batch. Once all the settings are complete, click Ready to Run. You can now see the batch in the Ready to Run section of the Batches page. To prepare for the batch in the lab, download the work8 using the link. In the work8 PDF document, you will find the information about the batch details, the sections, reagent preparations, reservoir placements on the instrument, reagents that needs to be placed onto the carousel, and sample input requirements. Here I have prepared reagent tubes, samples, and buffers according to the work8. To set up the run, select Batches and click on the batch that is required to run. In this case, it's batch number 1, Illumina DNA PCR-Free 300 nanogram with 4 samples. To load the instrument, insert the seal plate. Insert the tips as requested. Load the bulk reservoirs. and press Start. Confirm index plate placement is correct, and press Start aliquoting. Once the samples are loaded and the run is initiated, Biomek nGenius takes over by automatically processing the required steps including normalization, segmentation, indexing, and cleanup. At this point, the user can monitor progress directly through the portal interface or visually via the multicolor light bar on the instrument itself. Each color of the light bar communicates the system's current status. A solid blue light indicates the instrument is ready to run, while scrolling green light shows the run is in progress. Flashing amber alerts the users that input is needed, such as confirming a step or replacing a consumable. When the run is complete, a scrolling rainbow light appears. The same color scheme is also applied on the batch cards in the nGenius portal web interface, providing a consistent visual way to monitor run even when you're not next to the instrument. Users can check system status remotely from any Chrome or Edge-enabled device, which adds flexibility and convenience for busy labs. This visual cue, combined with digital tracking, gives users real-time confidence in their run status, whether they're in the lab or office desk. Once the run is complete, Biomek nGenius enters the Retrieve Samples stage. You will see the multicolor light bar scroll in a rainbow pattern, an unmistakable visual cue that the batch has completed successfully. At the same time, in the nGenius portal web interface, the batch card displays a green check mark and a label as Retrieve Samples to indicate the system is ready for final interaction. At this point, the user opens the instrument door and retrieves the final reaction vessel containing prepared libraries. Biomek nGenius ensures samples integrity throughout. So what you collect is clean, PCR-free libraries ready to run for your QC. For quality control of Illumina DNA PCR-Free libraries, a commonly used quantification method is applied. Library concentration is measured using qubit fluorometer device with a single-stranded DNA high-sensitivity assay kit. This assay is specifically suited for quantifying PCR-free libraries as the DNA remains in single-stranded form after tagmentation. The QC steps helps validates that the automation workflow has produced high-quality PCR-free libraries suitable for sequencing. Biomek nGenius is designed to consistently support these requirements, giving users confidence in their results. In the summary table, for yield, there were 3 conditions tested: an input mass with 100 nanogram, 300 nanogram, and 2000 nanogram. The average yield and the average yield calculated were all within Illumina's user guide based on 450 base pair library size. While Biomek nGenius is highly reliable, a few setup or handling steps can impact performance. To avoid these common pitfalls, before first use, fully read and follow the Biomek nGenius system instruction for use document. During the run setup, spin down the index plate before loading in order to ensure that indices are at the bottom of the well. It is also highly recommended to only use supported index plate part numbers as described in the app template or the work aid. Always remove the foil on each index well widely to avoid tip friction. It is best to use a disposable 200 microliter tip to pierce and fully widen each foil seal well. You should also avoid mixing reagents from different size kits, as tubes compatibility and geometry may differ. Be cautious with bubbly reagents like BLTPF, TB1, and TWB. Bubbles can affect accuracy and liquid level detection during pipetting steps. Ensure enough dead volume remains in the tubes. Automation relies on this buffer to accommodate pipetting tolerances. Setup run with sample volumes of greater than 2 microliter. While smaller inputs are accepted, they may introduce variability. Tube label scanning may be unsuccessful if tubes are misaligned or damaged. Take time to setting up the document in reagents with care. This will ensure successful runs and preserves instruments' integrity. Let's walk through some common questions regarding Illumina DNA PCR-Free method on the Biomek nGenius system. How long does a full run typically takes? A typical Illumina DNA PCR-Free run can take anywhere from 3 to 7 hours based on sample numbers. What's the minimum DNA input required? The minimum input DNA required is 100 nanogram according to Illumina's user guide. Can normalization be automated on Biomek nGenius? Absolutely. Biomek nGenius can normalize samples at the beginning by providing sample concentrations. Can I use any index plate I have in the lab? Only use Illumina-supported index plates to avoid pipetting mistakes. What problems can arise during index pipetting? Most commonly, it is incomplete foil removals or unpierced wells. Make sure each well is fully open using a pipette tip when piercing the foil. How can I avoid liquid sensing errors? You can avoid this by making sure the reagents are bubble-free, especially for high viscosity buffers. Maintain proper reservoir volumes as described in work aid. Is there flexibility in starting at different stages of the method? Yes. You can skip initial steps like normalization if your DNA is already prepped. Just choose the right section at the start of your run configuration. The Biomek nGenius system has demonstrated how it can transform PCR-free library preparation into highly efficient, precise, and user-friendly process. For further assistance or queries, please reach out to us. We are here to support your research. I hope the content from this webinar was helpful, and I wish you all the best for your future sequencing projects.